Hello guys, how are you? My name is Olbaid and I'm gonna show you how to create hardstyle in just 1 minute. First, grab a kick and distort the shit out of it. Second, grab a lead and distort the shit out of it. And don't forget a lot of reverb. And last, grab a plug and make a melody like this one. Put everything together and this is how it sounds like. So this is it guys, this is everything for this video. As you can see, you only have to grab a kick, grab a lead, grab a plug and start the shit out of everything and you're done. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe and see you the next time.